Things aren't always easy in life. If it were easy to make $1 million, everyone would have been a millionaire. If it were easy to have a great marriage, well, everyone would have been married and there would be no divorce at all. If it were easy to achieve any goal, if it were easy to exercise and get in shape, if it were easy to achieve any great feat, everyone would have made it possible. But it wasn't. And that's why only a few percent of people actually achieve their dreams. The few percent are those who wouldn't give up in the face of rejections, failures, setbacks, confusion, and all sorts of challenges life throws at them. All the great things in the world are being accomplished by people who kept on trying, people who kept on pushing, people who kept showing up every day, even when there seems to be no hope at all. So have that in your mind and never stop trying, never stop pushing, never stop pressing forward. Just keep on keeping on, and in due time, one day, just one day, it's always one day, the rain will pour down its blessings on you and your hard work